Good morning everybody. I am Amit Kumar, SST teacher of Paramount Public School. Today I am going to teach class 6 topic Jainism and Buddhism. Jainism we have discussed in the previous lecture. Now today we will discuss about Buddhism. Jainism and Buddhism. Buddhism. Another religion started in India by Gautam Buddha. By Gautam Buddha. As Jainism started by Mahavir Jain and he was the son of king. Same Gautam Buddha was born as a Prince Siddharth. Prince Siddharth in Lumbini, that is in Kapilvastu in Nepal. In 566 BC, he was born as Prince Siddharth, and after that, he became Gautam Buddha. He became Gautam Buddha. When he was born, his mother died after 7 days. When he was born, his mother died to give Gautam Buddha birth. She died on the 7th day of his birth, and he was brought up by Prajapati Gautami. She was the maternal aunt of Gautam Buddha, Prajapati Gautami. So that's why Prajapati Gautami brought up Buddha, and that's why Buddha became Gautam Buddha. That was the reason that how Prince Siddharth became Buddha and how he became Gautam Buddha, because he was brought up by his maternal aunt Prajapati Gautami after the death of his mother. In the age of 29, Prince Siddharth left his royal palace. In the search of enlightenment. He left his royal palace, and after long period of 7 years, Prince Siddharth got enlightenment and he became Buddha. Under a peepal tree, he got enlightenment under a peepal tree in present Bihar, and that place is known as Bodh Gaya. And that peepal tree became Bodhi tree, that is still present there in Bihar. That place is known as Bodh Gaya, and that peepal tree became Bodhi tree. Buddha died in 483 BC. Buddha died in 483 BC under a sal tree in Kushinagar, that is in Uttar Pradesh. Buddha died in 483 BC in Saltri in Kushinagar, that is in Uttar Pradesh. And before this, Buddha gave us his very important and valuable teachings. In this, he has given us 4 noble truths that are very prominent. 4 noble truths Buddha has given us, that the world is full of sorrows. The world is full of sorrows. The world is full of sorrows. And why this world is full of sorrows? Because of our desires. Because of our desires. That desires are the root cause of sorrows. These desires are the root cause of our sorrows. That our sorrows are the reasons of our desires. By this, we can say that we can conquering these sorrows by conquering our desires. Conquering our desires, we can lessen our sorrows. And to conquering our desires, we have to follow 8-fold path. This 8-fold path given us by Buddha, that we can conquering our desires. So we have to follow this 8-fold path. These 8-fold path are the 8 realities that we have to adopt in our life. About this 8-fold path we will discuss in our next lecture.